Let's try and play these three easy songs. Mary Had a Little Lamb, Don't Make Fun of Me, start there. Happy Birthday to You, pretty useful one. And Ode to Joy, your officially first classical piece. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna play it with right hand only, and you're gonna place your hand in C position, something that we did with our exercise, and that's what you're gonna do here. So thumb goes on middle C and third finger will stay on E, pinky will stay on G. So please do not forget about your hand position, right? Always return to it. Now we are going to play song Happy Birthday to You. So let's take a look at it. We are going to use some notes, which is G, A, B, and C in left hand, because in a lot of songs, right and left hand will share middle C, and in right hand we are going to use C, D, E, and F. So four notes, these four in right and these four in left. So you can try playing hands apart or together. So the fourth finger in left hand will fall on G, third on A, second on B, and thumbs of both hands will fall on middle C. In right hand, second will go on D, third on E, and fourth on F. So let's try and play it. Beautiful. So you can return back and try and work on this song more. Let's get to our next song though, because I have a third song here for you, which is Ode to Joy. That one is really fun to play, and this is something that you might have heard a few times. So we will start with right hand. And both hands will be in a C position. C, D, E, F, G in right, C, D, E, F, G in left. So right hand will start, and here we will work on one line at the time. So let's start with right hand. You can see R, H letters next to the right hand, and the stem of the note points up. This is also the sign of the right hand playing. And left hand is following right hand, as you can see, and the stem of the note points down. Let's start with right hand. Now let's get to left hand. Now we're going back to right hand. And close this line with G in left hand. Then the last line is going to be a challenge. It's pretty similar to exercises that we played before. I would practice hands apart and then I would play them together. So I would play right hand first, and I would play same thing in left hand. Once you're done with that, I would connect hands, nice and slowly. Then we go up to G, repeat G, going back all the way down to C. Walk yourself all the way and back to C. So work on first line with right hand, second line with left hand, third line right hand ends with G in left hand, and then work on hands apart for the very last part and slowly connect it. Remember to practice mindfully. See where hands flow, if they go up or down. Try it and let me know